Are you still struggling with how to take good-looking jewelry photos? Hiring designers costs a fortune, and revisions never end? You want AI efficiency but struggle with prompt writing? If I told you you don't need it right now? SellerPic, the AI visualization tool, lets use this template to see how it fits jewelers' needs. Perfect for those who need fast results but lack pro photography/design skills. Uploads are flexible. 3 options. Avoid multiple products appearing at the same time and overly cluttered product displays. Use jewelry shots with clean lighting and simple backgrounds. Prioritize full product shots. In the bottom left corner, there are multiple models to choose from freely. You can also adjust the image ratio and the number of generated images. Click Use to start. If the jewelry isn't centered, drag it with the hands icon, easy for beginners. After generation, click Compare to check the original versus generated image, high accuracy, no over-edited disconnect. Zoom in to see details, diamond cuts, fine metal grains. Report issues via the top right triangle icon. Download in 3 formats, perfect for main images, listings, or social media. Try necklaces, bracelets, or hair accessories too. Simple bracelets, or delicate hairpins, all keep a consistent high-end style, with details matching the original. Pick the right template, and even newbies can make studio-quality photos. No more struggling to capture jewelry texture. No more high photography/design costs. SellerPic makes jewelry images quick and easy. Create eye-catching visuals to make your jewelry stand out and compete better. Head to www.sellerpic.ai now to log in. Start your efficient jewelry design journey.